He is my grandfather. My grandfather name is Bolivar. He is affectionate and kind. She is my grandfather, my grandmother. My grandmother name is Marta. She is very loving and kind and she makes delicious food. She is my aunt. My aunt's name is Josie. She is very affectionate and friendly and she treats us all very well. She is my aunt. My aunt's name is Gabby. She is very humble and generous, always everyone. My mom's name is Angelica. She is very patient and responsible, and she takes care of us. My sister name is Amy, and she is very intense, but also affectionate. My brother, my brother name is Emiliano. He likes sport and he is very kind.